bras and they all that, we call that ballin'. Doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do? Penthouse, man, what a view. Fall back cause I'm coming through with my whole team. They coming too, that's real. Too real. Motherfucker, tell me how you feel.
Yo guys, what is up? I am back here with another moto vlog. My name is 1WheeSexappeall, as you can see by the subscription down below. And today I'm dressed up as Santa Claus, boy. I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm super excited and happy just to ride around like this. And I've probably been on the bike for maybe 5 minutes, and I've already gotten so many people to smile and wave and honk at me. This is gonna be a good little ride. I'm only have enough battery probably for an hour, hour and a half. So let's make the best of it. I'm going in rush hour on Capitol Boulevard, the busiest street here in Raleigh, and into downtown Raleigh. I'm gonna see what kind of reactions I get. Still got my hat. All right, I still got my hat on, my crudely duct tape hat. I need some Christmas dubstep in here. I wonder if it's a copyright-free Christmas dubstep. If there is, throw it in right here. Santa's reindeer broke a leg. I gotta take it back today. Oh God, if someone asks why I'm recording and what my channel name is, it's gonna be pretty awkward when I tell them it's 1WheeSexappeall and I'm wearing a Santa Claus outfit. That's pretty innocent. Bruh, Santa is the sexiest thing ever, man. You can't deny that. Everybody wants Santa Claus. Just more love. It's a lovely, like 60 degrees today. It is awesome. I just want to get a lot of smiles. It's making me happy just riding around like this, knowing it's gonna happen, hopefully. I gotta find the Grinch. I gotta get in a fight with him. I gotta work on my ho-ho-hos. No, not those hoes. Wow, don't even care. Find the... Oh, he liked it, He's smiling hard. There we go. He likes it, hey! People don't want to look, but they want to look at the same time. It's kind of humorous. What's up, man? Hey, we're going the backside on Fayetteville Street. Dude, that guy was nodding his head like goddamn white people. Alright guys, break out your Snapchats. Huh? Yeah. Gotta get it done by midnight. You know what I need to do? I need to dab on some bitches. Santa Claus needs to do some dabs. That'd be so cringy. You know what? We need a wheelie. I need to get out here and find some place to do some wheelies. I can't do it in downtown Raleigh. I don't want to leave Raleigh yet, or downtown. Which way should I go now? Likes it! Hey! Hey! What's up? No idea what he's saying. Hello. Do I want to go down Capitol, or do I want to go this other way?
Do you know the way?
No, I'm gonna go the other way. I'm gonna turn right. She liked it. I think I just burned the shit out of my brake on that one. This is me swinging my balls around. Deck the halls with that fucking, I don't remember them either. Ha, look at that. Home sweet home back at the North Pole, I mean North Hills. This is called North Hills, so this would rightfully be my home, right? Well, this was a bust. I thought there'd be more people here. Dang it, I'm gonna have to leave home now. Santa's gonna have a little bit more of a joyride, and he's gonna get back to North Hills and start packaging up stuff. Hi there. Oh my God, Christmas trees! It's a Christmas tree! Woohoo! Oh, I love Christmas trees. They're my favorite. Christmas trees are the best. I love them. Think that was loud enough? What's up? Hey, thanks, ho!
Santa, I know him!
Hey! That's what I need to do, so by some kids. Man, they're freaking out in there. Holy crap. Dude, I can hear them from out here. But all the windows are tinted, so I can't see them, but I can definitely hear them. Oh, that was the highlight of the day right there. Later. See you guys. Have a Merry Christmas. Well, I guess this is a good place to end off the video. Alright guys, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate. I hope it's a good time. I've had a wonderful little ride here. I loved going around making some people smile. I hope you guys all have a really good time on these holidays. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed today's video, guys. I'd love to do stuff like this. I'd definitely do it more often if people want to see that. You know, actually, I'm going to do this more Actually, crap, I can't talk. You know, I'm actually going to do this more regardless. This is fun. I'm going to dress up or do things just to make people happy and smile. It's freaking awesome. Am I in the highest gear right now? Doesn't feel like it. So yeah, you guys have a happy holiday. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, well that was just awesome. I can't believe I had my camera off. Every single time something great happens, my camera is turned off. This dude in front of me, another car that was in front of me, and a car that was behind me, all wanted to take pictures of me. They were all honking at me and smiling, and each one wanted to take a picture. It was freaking awesome. I am so happy right now. Like, the dude in this truck up here, he loved it. That is just great. Okay, now I'm really going. So I already did my outro, but I had to share that. That was just awesome. What's up?
You're riding like that?
Yep.
On the not on the ground, right? Oh no. Wait, that's your sleigh. That's awesome.
Who else is here?
Bill's in the back, not chilling, but talking to people. He's gonna get a kick out of that. Oh man, I like the duct tape on the helmet.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Even the gloves work, you know?
Yeah, my black ones and my black boots.
Yeah, you actually look like that.
So many people love it.
People honking at you.
Oh yeah, all the time. There was this school bus full of kids, and they just flipped out when they saw me.
Oh man.
I just came to say hello.
Did you do any wheelies in that or no?
Oh yeah. One guy was like, "Do a wheelie, man." I'm like, "Okay."
Wow. It kind of looks like you got the beard because your helmet, you know, has like.
Yeah, sorta. Well, I'll see you later.